Do you know how to make paper plate animals? If you're a kid at heart, or have kids who love animals and crafts, then this is the video for you. Paper plate animals is a classic craft that lets your imagination run wild. All you need are paper plates, construction paper in various colors, scissors, glue, and of course, googly eyes, then add mom or dad's help. The possibilities are really endless with this one, but I'm going to show you how to make a lion, a bear, a frog, and an owl. First up, the lion. Take your paper plate and fold it in half. Then cut out 2 ear shapes from the construction paper. I'll use yellow for the lion's ears. Now unfold the paper plate and glue the ears on top, one on each side. Let's draw a face on the lion. I'll draw a nose right here, some whiskers, and of course, its signature mane. Don't forget the eyebrows. Now, let's add some color. Get your crayons or markers and let's color the lion. And finally, let's glue on 2 googly eyes. Look at your creation. Isn't it wonderful? Here's the finished product. Next, let's make a bear. This one's gonna be super cute. Start by cutting out 2 ear shapes from brown construction paper. Then cut out a circle for the nose. Now take your paper plate and draw around the ears and the nose. We're going to cut these out. And now let's color the bear. Don't forget to add light brown or beige for the belly. And of course, we need to add some googly eyes. Look at that adorable bear. Now, let's make a frog. This little guy is going to be so much fun. Cut out 2 round shapes for the eyes. Now take your paper plate and draw around the eyes. We're going to cut these out. And let's not forget the body. We'll cut out 2 large circles for the eyes. Now let's color the frog. Green, of course, for the body, and then yellow for the belly. And don't forget the red tongue. Now let's glue on all the pieces. Here's the finished product. Look at that happy frog. Last but not least, the owl. Take your paper plate and draw around 1 ear. This will be the ear shape. Let's cut it out. And now let's draw the face. The owl has a beak, big round eyes, and of course, some feathers. Don't forget to add some color. Owls can be brown, gray, or even white. And there you have it. Paper plate animals are a blast from the past and a wonderful way to spend time with your kids or just let your imagination soar. So grab some paper plates and let your creativity run wild. Catch you later! If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share, and subscribe to Kidio's Club. Remember to stay awesome.